What's up, guys and gals? Today we're doing a little bit of work on the old 2004 Ford Ranger that you've seen in some of the other videos on the channel. Today we are doing a crankshaft position sensor. That's this fella right here. This sensor works on magnetic principles. There's a reluctor wheel that's mounted on the crankshaft that's toothed. Each time the wheel goes by the sensor, it creates an electrical pulse, which comes out this connector right here. So why would you want to replace that? Well, one, this is the original one to the truck. It does have a factory Ford part number on it. And these can be the cause of hard starting, no starting, some other types of intermittent problems. Jeepers creepers, where'd you get them peepers? Okay, we're now under the truck. We're going to show you what we're looking at here. There is the crank sensor right there. So you've got two bolts, top one and a bottom one, and the wiring connector. Take the bolts out, but take note of where the sensor is mounted. It is mounted on slots which allow a certain amount of adjustment. Try and install the new sensor in approximately the same location as the old one, which you can judge based upon the marks left by the bolts on the old sensor. I'm getting too old for this crap. Here's a look at the old sensor. You can see the marks left by the bolts. There's sort of a crescent moon where the bolt head ended. We went with an aftermarket part this time. It was significantly cheaper than the OEM Ford part, and this company apparently is an OEM supplier. So if you have any issues with hard starting, intermittent starting, or strange running conditions, this could be your problem. And this applies to a lot more than just the Ranger, as these sensors are used on just about every vehicle made in the modern era. Crankshaft position sensor. It's essentially just a magnet. Matter of fact, you can see some material clinging to the end of it. We have occasionally had some hard starting recently with the truck, so that's the reason for replacing some of these parts. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see if she starts. Nice! Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to mash the like, subscribe, and notifications bell so you don't miss a thing here on the YKP channel.